NCERT Class 7 Chapter 1 Topic 1.5, under which we are going to solve questions of try these. Question 1 is 10 multiplied by within bracket 6 plus minus 2 equal to 10 multiplied by 6 plus 10 multiplied by minus 2. So we have to solve this, and the solution is 10 multiplied by within bracket 6 plus minus 2 equal to 10 multiplied by 6 plus 10 multiplied by minus 2. So we solve like this. We take LHS equal to 10 multiplied by, and we solve this bracket. 6 plus minus 2 is 6 plus minus 2 is 4. This is equal to 10 multiplied by 4 is 40. And now we solve RHS. 10 multiplied by 6 is 60 plus 10 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 20. And 60 minus 20 is 40. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS, and our answer is yes, 10 multiplied by within bracket 6, yes, 10 multiplied by 6 plus within bracket minus 2 whole in the bracket equal to 10 multiplied by 6 plus 10 multiplied by minus 2. This is as per the distribution or addition. This is distribution property. Part 2 is minus 15 multiplied by within bracket minus 7 plus minus 1 bracket close equal to minus 15 multiplied by minus 7 plus minus 15 multiplied by minus 1. So we solve like this. We take LHS equal to minus 15 multiplied by, and we solve this bracket. So minus 7 plus minus 1 equal to minus 8, and RHS equal to minus 15 multiplied by minus 7 is 105, and minus 15 multiplied by minus 1 equal to 15. Here LHS equal to minus 15 multiplied by minus 8 equal to 120, and RHS equal to 105 plus 15 equal to 120. So what we find? LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, minus 15 multiplied by, minus 15 multiplied by minus 7 plus minus 1 equal to minus 15 multiplied by minus 7 plus minus 15 multiplied by minus 1. So this is correct. Now we go to another set of try these. Question 1 is 10 multiplied by within bracket minus 6 minus 2 equal to 10 multiplied by 6 minus 10 multiplied by minus 2. So we solve it. So part 1, we take LHS equal to 10 multiplied by, we solve this bracket, 6 minus minus 2 equal to 6 plus 2. This is equal to 10 multiplied by 8, and this is equal to 80. Now we solve RHS. 10 multiplied by 6 is 60, minus 10 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 20. This is equal to 60 plus 20 equal to 80. So, therefore we have proved LHS equal to RHS. Hence, our answer is yes. 10 multiplied by 6 minus minus 2 within bracket equal to 10 multiplied by 6 minus 10 multiplied by minus 2 is correct. Now we go to second part of the question. Minus 15 into minus 7 minus minus 1 bracket close equal to minus 15 multiplied by minus 7 minus minus 15 multiplied by minus 1. So we take LHS and solve this. Minus 15 multiplied by, we solve this bracket, minus 7, and this minus and minus becomes plus 1 equal to minus 15 multiplied by minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6. This is equal to minus 15 multiplied by minus 6 equal to 90. Now we take RHS. Minus 15 multiplied by minus 7 equal to 105 minus minus 15 multiplied by minus 1 equal to 15. This is also equal to 90. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Our answer is yes. Minus 15 multiplied by, within bracket, minus 7 minus minus 1 bracket close equal to minus 15 multiplied by minus 7 minus minus 15 multiplied by minus 1. We go to another set of try these. Find minus 49 multiplied by minus 18 is first part of the question. Minus 25 multiplied by minus 31 is second part of the question. The third part is 17 multiplied by minus 19 plus minus 1 multiplied by 70. So, and this has to be solved using distributive property. So we take the first part of the question, minus 49 multiplied by 18, and we use distributive property. So we write minus 49 multiplied by 18 is written as 10 plus 8. So this is equal to minus 49 multiplied by 10 plus minus 49 multiplied by 8. This gives us minus 49 multiplied by 10 is giving us minus 490, and minus 49 multiplied by 8 gives us minus 392. 8 times 9 is 72. We carry 7 and 8 times 4 is 32 plus 7 is 39. And minus 490 minus 392 gives us minus 882. So we have solved this question using the distributive property of multiplication. Now we go to second part of the question. Minus 25 multiplied by minus 31. So we are using the distributive property here and we write like this: minus 25 multiplied by, within bracket, minus 30 plus minus 1. 31 is split into two parts, which is minus 30 and minus 1. And now we use this property and multiply it. So this gives us minus 25 multiplied by minus 30 plus minus 25 multiplied by minus 1. Minus 25 multiplied by minus 30 gives us 750 and minus 25 multiplied by minus 1 gives us 25. So this gives us 775 and we have solved using the multiplication over addition. We are going to the third part of the question. 70 multiplied by minus 19 plus minus 1 multiplied by 70. Here we have been given the multiplication over distribution. Multiplication is distributed over addition. Now we are solving it the other way. So we take 70 multiplied by, within bracket, we write minus 19 plus minus 1. This gives us 70 multiplied by minus 20, which is equal to minus 1400. So this is our solution. Here we are completing this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel.